Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix League of Legends disconnecting. Alright, let's begin. First, locate the League of Legends shortcut on your desktop. Right-click it and select Open File Location. Scroll down to find leagueclient.exe, then right-click it and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab, check Disable Full Screen Optimizations and enable Run this program as an administrator. Click Change High DPI Settings, check the bottom box, set it to Application, then click OK and Apply. Now try launching League of Legends. If the issue persists, open the Riot client, click your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Settings. Ensure League of Legends is selected and click Repair to scan for corrupted files. This will automatically fix any detected issues. If the problem continues, switching to Google's public DNS can help. Open the Start menu, search for Control Panel, and open it. Click Network and Internet, then select Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings on the left. Right-click your active connection and choose Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, open its properties, and switch to Manual DNS entry. Enter Google's public DNS addresses, then save the changes. So, that's basically how you can fix League of Legends disconnecting. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.